Hey everyone, today in this video, I'll show you how to blur Instagram story background. It's a pretty simple process. Just follow me till the end and you guys will get the idea of how to do this. So let's begin. I'll open up my Instagram application and show you how it's done. Just swipe right to go into your camera section and you will see that currently no blur is being added to my picture. In order to add blur, quickly swipe right on all of these filters till you get to the end, and this is where you want to land onto. This is the browse effects section. Just click on it, click on the search bar on the top left corner and search for this blurred background. Once you search for this, select this filter right here. I feel like it works best. It's the third one. Once you have selected it, you can close the filter window and you will see that that effect is now on. And once I put it, you will see that the background is now automatically being blurred. And yeah, just click a picture, use it. You can even use it for videos as well. It works fine. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to blur Instagram story background. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.